At the Union of Chambers and Commodity Exchanges of Turkey's Business Forum, the head of Iran's Chamber of Commerce spoke frankly about economic sanctions placed on Iran by Western countries.
It has had economic impacts. On the positive side would be encouraging domestic industry to grow, domestic research to grow. On the negative side, increasing the transaction costs. So doing business becomes a bit more expensive. But there is a stronger impact, and that is the switch and shift in your trade partners.
He says trading partners in China and Turkey have produced well over $56 billion in revenue, and those figures continue to grow. The attempt to stifle doing business with Iran, he adds, isn't going well.
If the target of the sanctions has been the change in political position of Iranian government, that has not been achieved. So if we want to assess the success of the sanctions, it has not achieved its political goal.
In fact, the Union of Chambers and Commodity Exchanges of Turkey previously announced that foreign companies in Turkey financed by Iran in 2011 totaled 590, an increase of 41% compared to the previous year. With figures like this, the chamber head says it's economic logic to find win-win scenarios.
In a long-run thinking for European Union, for example, if they think about their energy security, Iran is the natural partner for Europe with regards to energy security. And I see that kind of future to come. The wisdom should prevail someday.
Sanctions have been placed on Iran by Western countries to target its nuclear program, which they claim has a military aspect to it, a charge Iran denies, saying it is for peaceful purposes only. As the US and European Union attempt to tighten those sanctions, business is proving resilient. Ultimately, the chamberhead says as business and trade continues to shift from Western partners to new Eastern ones, there will also have to be a shift in attitudes to wake up and realize sanctions are simply not working. Fabian Pei, Press TV, Istanbul.